dynamic lines express movement, elegance, sophistication. Discover the Hyundai Sonata. At the core of the Sonata is an ultra-rigid frame. It's what we call the superstructure. Made of Hyundai's own advanced high-strength steel, it provides a safe and smooth ride. The Sonata also offers a wealth of driver assistance technologies to enhance your safety. Standard blind spot collision warning features an alert system you can both see and hear. Lane departure warning with lane keeping assist alerts if you start drifting from your lane. It will even provide corrective steering. Rear sensors work with the rear view camera to help make backing up easier, while the rear cross-traffic collision warning adds an extra level of safety, sensing vehicles approaching from the side. Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist is another set of eyes, activating the brakes to help avoid an imminent collision. The sculpted design stands out on the road, with LED lights that accent the cascading front grille. Advanced headlights that turn with your steering wheel to help light the curves in your path and automatically adjust your high beam settings based on the traffic ahead. Heated side mirrors with integrated LED turn signals. 18-inch alloy wheels. LED taillights. And sporty dual exhaust outlets. The dynamic design is matched with a powerful 2-liter turbocharged GDI engine with 245 horsepower. A smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, and sport-tuned suspension that delivers enhanced handling and control. Before you even step inside, experience a world of convenience. Our BlueLink technology connects the car to your smartphone so you can start the car from your phone. The smart trunk opens itself. Just have your proximity key in your pocket or bag. And if you need extra space, the rear seats conveniently fold down. Open the door at the press of a button and make yourself comfortable. The Sonata leads the way with an ergonomic design built around you. You only need to adjust the driver's seat once. The integrated memory system will remember your settings. Sport-bolstered leather seats warm you up in the winter and cool you down in the summer. Even the rear seats and steering wheel are heated. Everyone will enjoy the ride with an expansive panoramic sunroof, blinds that shade the sun's glare, and separate climate control for the driver and front passenger. The touchscreen display is fully loaded with features, including Android Auto and Apple CarPlay that seamlessly and safely connect you to your smartphone, and a navigation system that steers you in the right direction. Keeping your smartphone fully charged couldn't be more convenient with a wireless charging pad. Take calls hands-free or stream your music on your smartphone through the premium Infinity audio system. Another feature that helps you enjoy the drive is adaptive cruise control that makes stop-and-go traffic easier to navigate. Wherever you go, you'll be protected with our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive limited warranty. Flat tire? With just a phone call, the 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance will take care of it. Designed for style, performance, and going above and beyond expectations. Experience the Hyundai Sonata.